Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Candy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I will be showing you guys how I slayed this super cute synthetic wig, y'all. Synthetic. That means it didn't come out the package looking this good. It did. I did this. I made it look this fine, this fleeky, this bossy. Nah, it was a really cute wig already. I knew it was cute. I knew it was gonna look great on me. Real quick, I just want to give you guys the hair details. So this hair is called Valentino. It's from HairSoFly. I got it for $34.99. It was originally $40.99, I believe, and this color is FFGoldBrn. It came with the curls. Already it does take 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The parting, it's not much parting, it's a 5-inch part. This is about it. Yeah, this is about all they give you, so you gotta make do with what you got, sis. But it's not that hard to, you know, fleek and make it look good. Honestly, this wig is really nice and it's only $35. It is kind of ratting up on me just a little bit, but I was kind of being rough with it. And like I said, you can put heat on it so you can just refreshen the curls if it's getting a little ratty, because it is synthetic, ladies. It is synthetic. But synthetic wigs, you can't do too much in it. You just kind of sit pretty. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Let's see how okay, bye. So this is what they give you. This, I want to try to like maybe pluck it and put some makeup on it so it looks more natural, so you don't see all those little black dots. But yeah, this is the inside of the cap. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and then, you know, these straps to tighten up your wig. Oh, and it kind of comes like little baby hairs too. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna pluck these first. So let's see how that goes. Y'all, do not judge my nails. I'm gonna get my nails done. Where'd my comb go? So I'm not gonna pluck that much. And honestly, with wigs like this, I just kind of like rip it out. Just like that. Oh, let me get a small piece. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start this transformation. I'm putting the combs in. Ouch. Ouch. Let me move this back. Why is it so far away? It's definitely giving wig. It's definitely giving wig. Where's the baby hairs? Where did the baby hairs go? So to lay down my edges, I'm gonna be using my KinksbyKai, my favorite edge control in the world. looking real cute. It's looking real cute. All right, guys. I think that's it. I think I'm done. Like, I'm gonna just put a little bit of makeup on this little part. Like, I'm really blending right there, so I'm just gonna put some makeup on it. Just so you Monica not having it. Sorry. What she do, I do better. What she did to make you love her. Yeah. You fine. This wig is giving very feminine, very boss lady. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys go get it yourself so we can all be cute. No, don't go get it, y'all. Everybody don't go get it. We gonna be looking like we sharing wigs. I'm just over here talking. Don't listen to me. Y'all listen to me. Get this wig. Just, let's not all wear it at the same time. Okay, guys, this is the wig. Valentino Freetress synthetic wig. Cost me $35. I give this wig I would say a 9 out of 10 because the part, this little 5-inch part space they gave us was whack. But the hair wise, style wise, yeah, it's hitting. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link of this wig in my description, and also I'm going to try to find maybe like 5 links because I looked up this actual wig and it was like on Google, it just like a lot of results. So I'm like, okay, clearly I didn't do my research before I bought this wig because it seems like I could have got it for cheaper. So what I'm going to do is put some links in the description of where else you can find this wig besides HairSoFly. All right, that's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this hair because I love this hair. I think it's so cute and bossy. Like, yes. Comment down below what you think about this wig. Let me know if there are like any other synthetic wigs that you've been dying to try. Share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. It's like candy. I upload every single Sunday. Bye.